Do you know this fruit? Pomegranate, one of the healthiest fruits in the world. Each pomegranate has hundreds of juicy seeds full of vitamins and antioxidants. It's grown in Bangladesh too, especially in Dinajpur, where large orchards are producing fruits just like imported ones. So, Dalim, pomegranate is not just a fruit, it's medicine, culture, and beauty in one. Eat pomegranate, stay healthy, and remember every seed is a gift of nature. So, if you like this video, subscribe our channel for more English tips and tricks. Also, if you love nature, this is the one that you like. Thank you. Cheers.